Derivative of e power x. In this tutorial we shall find the derivative of exponential function e power x. Let the function is of the form y equals fx equals e power x. First take the increment or small change in the function. Y plus del y equals e power x plus del x. Del y equal e power x plus del x minus y. I put y equals e power x in the above equation. Del y equals e power x plus del x minus e power x. Dividing both sides by del x, we get del y by del x equals e power x plus del x minus e power x divide del x. Taking the limit of both sides as del x approach 0, we have lim del x approach 0 del y by del x equals lim del x approach 0 e power x plus del x minus e power x by del x. Lim del x approach 0 del y by del x equals di by dx implies di by dx equals lim del x approach 0 e power x into e power del x minus 1 by del x using the following relation from the limit lim x approach 0 a power x minus 1 by x equals lane a, we have di by dx equals e power x lane e. Now we have the relation lane e equals 1, di by dx equals e power x into 1. Now put y equal e power x in the equation and d by dx e power x equals e power x, hence proved.